Hi, welcome back to our channel and to our new series, Cooking Old School with a Glass of Wine. I've got today a glass of white wine from France, and we will be cooking Polish pierogi with meat. The series features authentic recipes from fresh products, and it's for people who would like to learn the traditional versions of the dishes they probably already know. My name is Marta from Cooking the World, and we produce one video a week, so please click the subscribe button down below for more content about traditional food. Before we're going to start making pierogi, we need to make a filling. So for this reason, I've got here 1 kilo of beef. I've got 3 carrots, parsley and celery. And for seasoning, we have a bay leaf, we have allspice, we've got salt and pepper. Let's start cooking.
Put in a large pot meat, vegetables and spices and cover the whole thing with the water. Wait until it cooks and then simmer for 40-50 minutes or until meat is tender. In the meantime, clear a large space on your counter. Take a large bowl with a flour and slowly pour water in it. If your dough gets sticky, you added too much water in it. That's exactly what I did. So we're gonna need to add a little bit more flour to make the dough softer and so it doesn't stick to your fingers. At this point, our dough is ready and we're gonna roll it. The circle you rolled should be pretty thin, around 2 millimeters. Using a coffee mug, cut the circles out of the dough and place the small circles on the floured surface on the side. Make sure you've got some flour on the counter, otherwise the dough will stick to it. Grind the meat and vegetables in a meat mincer. Squeeze the bread roll so it doesn't contain any water. Add to the mixture with salt, pepper and majoran. At this point, try the mixture and correct the seasoning. Add raw eggs into the stuffing, mix all ingredients well. Now you need to arrange your flour making station. Make sure you've got your little circles and the filling ready. Put 1 tablespoon of the filling in the center of each circle of the dough. Fold it and done! This is this easy. Let's just make one more together. Take another circle, flatten it a bit using your fingers. Make sure it's not too much. If you're a beginner, you need some practice. Fold the dough over, and at this point my fingers got really sticky, so what I did, I put the fingertips in a little bit of flour and that helped. Please remember that trick if something like that happens to you. Cook the pierogi in a pot of boiling salted water until they float. After floating, cook them for another 3 minutes, then remove them from the water and drain. Serve them with fried onion and butter on the top.
Thanks for watching. The link to the printable recipe you will find in the description box below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Have a great week and smash Lego!